A very good morning, Montfortians. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Students, today we will do work on notebook. So everyone, check out your notebook. Write today's date, 26th October 2021, day Tuesday, and grade class on the top. In between, write chapter 5, addition and subtraction up to 20. Okay? Students, in your book, see on page 67, sums are there. G part, this part we will do in notebook. Okay, here subtract using the number strip. Subtract using the number strips. These sums we will do in notebook. Okay, you all know how to draw number strip. Okay, so firstly draw number strip in your notebook and then start. See, 17 minus 3. First sum is 17 minus 3. It means we have to subtract 3 out of 17. We have to subtract 3 out of 17. So, for this, we will directly come on number 17. We will come on number 17. Okay. Now, how many steps we have to take back? How many steps? For subtraction, we have to take back steps. Okay. So, how many steps we will take back? 3 steps. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many steps? 3 steps we will take back. Now put arrow also to show that we are counting backward. Okay. Now after taking 3 steps back, I am on which number? I am on number 14. Okay. So answer is 14. Answer is 14. Okay, listen again. We have to subtract 3 out of 17. So for this, directly we will come on number 17 and then we will take 3 back steps. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I am on number 14. So answer is 14. And students, don't forget to put arrow to show that we are counting backward. Okay, so now come on the second sum. 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5. So directly we will come on number 6. 16. Here we have to subtract 5 out of 16. So directly we will come on number 16. And how many steps we have to take back? See this number? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and put arrow also like this to show that we are counting backward. Okay, now after taking 5 steps back, I am on which number? 11. So answer is 11. Answer is 11. Okay, like this you will do all sums in your notebook. Okay, students, now we will revise subtraction sums. Okay, these sums you can do in your rough notebook. So everyone, take out your rough notebook and let's start. See, which number is this? 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4. Students, firstly we will do this part. We have to subtract ones out of ones. Like this we have to subtract. Firstly we will do this part and then we will do this part. See here. 8 minus 4. Which number is this? 8 minus 4. It means we have to subtract 4 out of 8. Okay. So how we will do this? Count 8 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we have to subtract 4. Now close it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 4 are left. So here we will write 4. Here we will write 4. Okay. Now see. Now we will do this part. 1 is written here. But here nothing is there. Nothing is there. Okay. So this one we will write as it is here. Okay. This one we will write as it is. So answer is 14. If we will subtract 4 out of 18, answer will come 14. Okay, now come on the second sum. 9 19 minus 3. Okay. Now again, firstly we will do this part. We have to subtract 3 out of 9. Then again do on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 are left. So here we will write 6. Okay. Now again nothing is there. Here on tens place nothing is there. So this one we will write here. Same. Fine. Now here 12 minus 1. Here we have to subtract 1 out of 12. How we will do this? Again do this part firstly. We have to subtract 1 out of 2. So see, now we will do with pencils. I am having 2 pencils. Okay. Now someone has taken 1 from me. How many are left? 1 out of 2. If someone has taken 1, how many are left? 1 only. So here we will write 1. Okay. And in place of tens, here nothing is there. So this one I will write same here. Fine. Now 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5. This also we will do with pencils. See in my hands how many pencils are there. Firstly we will do this part. No. 16 minus 5. Firstly we will do this part. Once passed. Okay. So in my hand how many pencils are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to subtract 5 out of 6. Now someone has taken 5 pencils from me. How many are left? 1 only. Okay. So here I will write 1. Wait. 1. Okay. And this one I will write same here. Fine. Like this you can do subtraction. Okay students. If you have any problem, call me. I will tell you how to do. Bye bye. Have a great day.